morning. Happy Friday to all of you. It's March 12th. And let's take a look at how we're wrapping up this week. So, you're going to start with a warm up to begin with at number one on that quiz. I'm just going to show you the directions very quickly on that. And you're going to spend about 5 minutes on it only so that you can get into your triangles quick check in Schoology today. So, your warm up is in that quiz. You're going to go back to the geometry column here and you're going to go down to triangles and choose triangles. On the left-hand side, go ahead and stick with a length of 10. And it's up to you. These levels don't differ too much. Maybe start middle of the road or, a little bit lower. It's up to you. I'm going to just say, let's say level 6. And click on angles. And so what's going to happen is you're going to have a quick review of this triangle sum theorem that we talked about yesterday. And so your triangles have to have 180 degrees in them. So you're going to see what you have inside that triangle for the two angles. So this one has a 30-degree angle and an 85-degree angle. You'll add those two together, subtract from 180, and find that missing angle measure to make 180 degrees total. So only 5 minutes. That's it. I don't think you need to spend more time on that. That's just to give you a quick review. As soon as that 5 minutes is up on your warm-up, you're going to head into that quick check on triangles in Schoology, and you can take that unlimited times. And then afterwards, number 2, you're going to see here, Pi Day is actually on Sunday, March 14th. And Pi Day is celebrated by many mathematicians around the world, as well as just anybody really. And they celebrate it in different ways. What Pi Day is it celebrates the irrational number pi. And so it introduces you a little bit here in a couple of videos what that means and what it is. Typically, this time of year, we are in chapter 8 talking about circles, and we just aren't there yet this year. It would have been nice because you would have had a little background information on what pi meant, but that's okay. We're actually headed there soon anyways. That's our next chapter. And so when you finish that quick check, go to video number 1 and then go to video number 2. And it just gives you, again, some background information about what pi is with math and how we use it. Another interesting piece here is the first million digits of pi. So this is just a website, and you'll click here, and just like it says, it's going to show you the first million digits of the irrational number pi. After that, there's a graphing activity, and your crew teachers have this. And if you're virtual, you can click on this link, and it'll give you the graphing that you need to do. So it's going to look like this. You're going to graph the pi symbol. And you're going to have this sheet right here with all of your coordinate points that you're going to graph. It's been a while since we've done this. At the beginning of the school year, I had given you a couple to match some of the holidays that we were currently in. And I said it's good practice because in 8th grade, you do graphing with linear equations. And so being able to understand that coordinate graph, especially here, if you take a close look, you're going to notice there are halves, 0.5s, like the first coordinate point that you're going to graph is 15.5 and then -1. And so to help you with that, you are also going to have in your crew this graph right here that actually gives you the line, the half mark there to help you graph it correctly. So this link is for you to use to go back to if you need to and take a look at the picture of what the graph is supposed to look like, and just to make sure that you're on the right track as you're graphing it. Okay, back. And so that's really how you're ending your hour. Okay, triangles warm up, quick check, head into understanding what Pi Day is and what pi means. Look at the million digits of pi, do the graphing activity. You should be doing the graphing activity till the end of the hour. And then I say that, but at the same time, please make sure that you have ALEKS done. That has to be done by Sunday, so make sure you're caught up on that. One reminder before I go today at number 3, the end of the trimester is next Friday, March 19th, so a week from today. And so your ALEKS, any ALEKS lessons, topics learned that you have not completed or are missing, and then any Chapter 7 assignments that we've been working on, they're all going to be due Thursday. next Thursday, March 18th at 11:59 p.m. So it says no emails on Friday asking for work to be graded. So if you email Mr. Terpstra, Mr. Whalen, or myself on Friday, March 19th and say, I just finished 3 more missing Alex lessons. Can you please grade those? And the answer is going to be no, because we've talked about it so many times as far as making sure you stay caught up in being on top of that. So Thursday, March 18th at 11:59 p.m., and that is when everything is due for second trimester. All right. Enjoy your day. Good luck on your quick check today. With your quick check, I forgot to mention you are able to use your notes. So if you want to use your vocabulary or anything else that we've used, your book, etc., you can to go through that quick check. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday.